हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आरजी स्टूडियो चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मेरा नाम राहुल है, मैं एक टीचर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 20 इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस की जानकारी दे रहा हूँ, जो कि एमपीएच मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए बहुत अधिक यूजफुल हैं। जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटीज और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के एमपीएच एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि एम्स, पीजीआईएमईआर चंडीगढ़, टीआईएसएस मुंबई, जेआईपीएमईआर पौंडीचेरी, आईआईपीएच निमहांस बेंगलोर, जेएनयू, हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, आईसीएमआर और अदर इंस्टीट्यूट और यूनिवर्सिटीज जिनके लिए एमपीएच एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होते हैं, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक उपयोगी है। और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स जैसे कि बीएससी नर्सिंग, पैरामेडिकल आदि एग्जाम्स के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक उपयोगी है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के पीडीएफ नोट्स लेना चाहते हैं, ऑनलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी के लिए एक व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप बना रखा है, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन की वीडियोज मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशंस के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। यहाँ पे 20 क्वेश्चन बताए जाएंगे, वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इज कोरोना वायरस? A. It is a large family of viruses. B. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Only A is correct. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B are correct. What is coronavirus? Correct answer is it is a large family of viruses and it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Explanation is coronaviruses are a large family of viruses and belong to the nidovirus family or nidovirales order, which includes Coronaviridae, Artriviridae and Roniviridae families. Next question, second, health paradox refers to. What is health paradox refers to? A. High income with high human development. B. Low income with high human development. C. Low mortality and high morbidity. D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Low mortality with high morbidity. Health paradox refers to low mortality with high morbidity. Explanation is the male-female health survival paradox, also known as the morbidity-mortality paradox or gender paradox, is the phenomenon in which women experience more medical conditions and disability during their lives, but they unexpectedly live longer than men. Next question, third, World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? A. COVID-19. B. COV-N19. C. CON-V20. D. CON-COVID-19. Correct answer option A. COVID-19. World Health Organization on 11th February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Correct answer is COVID-19. Explanation is WHO named the disease that is caused by the novel coronavirus as COVID-19. Next question, example of tertiary health care. What are the examples of a tertiary health care? A. Cardiac surgery. B. Plastic surgery. C. Cancer management. D. All the above. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Example of tertiary health care are cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, cancer management. Explanation is once a patient is hospitalized and needs a higher level of specialty care within the hospital, he may be referred to tertiary care. Tertiary care requires highly specialized equipment and expertise. At this level, you will find procedures such as coronary artery bypass surgery, renal or hemodialysis, and some plastic surgeries or neurosurgeries. Example of tertiary care services are cancer management, neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, treatment for severe burns, advanced neonatology services, palliative and other complex medical and surgical interventions. Next question is, the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in. Options are Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, Hubei, Tianjin. Correct answer option C. Wuhan, Hubei. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei. Explanation is the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. Next question 6. NRHM stands for. NRHM stands for A. National Rural Health Mission, B. National Remote Health Mission, C. National and Regional Health Management, D. None of these. Correct answer option A. National Rural Health Mission. NRHM stands for National Rural Health Mission. Explanation is the National Rural Health Mission NRHM, now under National Health Mission, is an initiative undertaken by the Government of India to address the health needs of underserved rural areas. Launched on 12 April 2005 by then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the NRHM was initially tasked with addressing the health needs of 18 states that had been identified as having weak public health indicators. Next question 7. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means A. Birth rate, B. IMR, C. Death rate, D. None of these. Correct answer option A. Birth rate. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means birth rate. Explanation is the crude birth rate in a period is the total number of live births per 1000 population divided by the length of the period in years. The number of live births is normally taken from a universal registration system for births, population counts from a census, and estimation through specialized demographic techniques. The birth rate is used to calculate population growth. Next question 8. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Options A. MERS, B. SARS, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. Correct answer option C. Both A and B. Which question is which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Correct answer is MERS, MERS, and SARS, SARS. Both A and B are correct. Explanation is coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold to more other serious disease like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS-CoV and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome SARS-CoV. Next question 9. Health is a dash subject. A. Central, B. State, C. Concurrent, D. None of these. Correct answer option B. State. Health is a state subject. Explanation is public health is a state subject. The interventions under National Rural Health Mission NRHM are aimed towards by supplementing the efforts of the states in this direction. The central government enacts laws but implementation rests with the state government. Next question 10. Mild symptoms of novel coronaviruses are A. Fever, B. Cough, C. Shortness of breath, D. All the above. Correct answer option D. All the above. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough, shortness of breath. All the above statements are correct. All the above options are correct. So mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Explanation is people infected with novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV reported with mild symptoms, namely fever, cough, and shortness of breath, whereas other common symptoms may include runny nose, headache, sore throat, a general feeling of unwell, etc. Next question 11. The state of being free from illness or injury means A. Happiness, B. Fitness, C. Disease, D. Health. Correct answer option D. Health. The state of being free from illness or injury means correct answer is health. Explanation is health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being in which disease and infirmity are absent. Next question 12. From where coronavirus got its name? A. Due to their crown-like projections, B. Due to their leaf-like projections, C. Due to their surface structure of bricks, D. None of the above. Correct answer option A. Due to their crown-like projections. Question is from where coronavirus got its name? Correct answer due to their crown-like projections. Explanation is due to their crown-like projections on the surfaces coronavirus got their name. The virus resembles a crown when viewed under an electron microscope. Corona in Latin means halo or crown. Next question 13. Which refers to the work of healthcare professionals who act as a first point of consultation for all patients within the healthcare system. A. Primary care. B. Secondary care. C. Urgent care. D. None of these. Correct answer option A. Primary care. Question here is which refers to the work of healthcare professionals who act as a first point of consultation for all patients within the healthcare system. Correct answer is primary care. Explanation is primary healthcare refers to a broad range of health services provided by medical professionals in the community. Your general practitioner GP is a primary healthcare provider, and so are nurses, pharmacists, and allied health providers like dentists. Next question 14. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. B. Add more garlic into your diet. C. Visit your doctor for antibiotics treatment. D. Wash your hands after every hour. Correct answer option A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. Question here is what are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? Correct answer is cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. Explanation is according to WHO, a person can take precautions by covering the nose and mouth while sneezing via tissue or an elbow. Then immediately throw the tissue into a closed dustbin. Next question 15. Which is the health care services provided by medical specialists and other health professionals who generally do not have first contact with patients? A. Primary care. B. Secondary care. C. Urgent care. D. None of these. Correct answer option B. Secondary care. Question is which is the health care services provided by medical specialists and other health professionals who generally do not have first contact with patients? Correct answer is secondary care. Explanation is physical therapist, respiratory therapist, speech therapist, other allied health professionals often work in secondary care. So physical therapist, respiratory therapist, speech therapist, occupational therapist, and other allied health professionals often work in secondary care. Next question 16. Which is a specialized consultative health care? A. Primary care. B. Secondary care. C. Urgent care. D. Tertiary care. Correct answer option D. Tertiary care. Question is which is a specialized consultative health care? Correct answer is option D. Tertiary care. Tertiary care is a specialized consultative health care. Explanation is patients being treated requiring a higher level of care in a hospital may be considered to be in tertiary care. Physicians and equipment at this level are highly specialized. Next question 17. Which of the following country was the first to authorize the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine in 2020? A. USA. B. Russia. C. China. D. UK. E. Italy. Correct answer option D. UK. UK or Britain was the first to authorize the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine in 2020. Explanation is the UK has become the first country in the world to approve the coronavirus vaccine from Pfizer, NYSC, PFE, and BioNTech, Nasdaq, BNTX, which has been shown to offer up to 95% protection against COVID-19. Next question 18. Which agency defined health as a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely the absence of illness or disease? A. UNICEF. B. WHO. C. WTO. D. ADB. Correct answer option B. WHO. Question is which agency defined health as a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely the absence of illness or disease? Correct answer is WHO, World Health Organization. Explanation is World Health Organization WHO defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Next question 19. ICDS stand for? ICDS stands for option A. Integrated Child Development Scheme. B. Indian Child Development Scheme. C. Integrating child development support. D. None of these. Correct answer option A. Integrated Child Development Scheme. ICDS stand for Integrated Child Development Scheme. Explanation is implantable cardioverter defibrillator ICD. Full form is implantable cardioverter defibrillator ICDs. ICDs are useful in preventing sudden death in patients with known sustained ventricular tachycardia or fibrillation. Studies have shown ICDs to have a role in preventing cardiac arrest in high risk patients who have not had but are at risk for life-threatening ventricular arrhythmias. Next question. The top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana is. What is the top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana? A. Decrease the fertility rate. B. Reduce the birth rate. C. Reduction of MMR. D. None of these. Correct answer option C. Reduction of MMR. The top priority of Janani Suraksha Yojana is reduction of MMR. Explanation is Janani Suraksha Yojana JSY is a safe motherhood intervention under the National Rural Health Mission NRHM being implemented with the objective of reducing maternal and neonatal mortality by promoting institutional delivery among the poor pregnant women. The Yojana launched on 12th April 2005 by the Honorable Prime Minister is being implemented in all states and UTs, Union Territories, with special focus on low performing states. In this video, I have given information regarding 20 important questions which are very useful for various institute and universities MPH entrance exam like AIMS, PGIMER, TISS, JIPMER, IIPS, NIMHN, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, and other institute and universities which conduct MPH entrance exam, and the students who are preparing for various competitive exams. And for this, if they want to take online coaching or join or want to take PDF notes of important questions, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the competitive exam study, there is a WhatsApp group which link you can get on description box. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get the videos of important questions and notification regarding new jobs and admissions. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.